How to add channel tags on YouTube 2021. And channel tags are also known as channel keywords. So on YouTube, over on the upper right hand side, click on your channel icon and then click on YouTube Studio. And then over on the left hand side down towards the bottom, click on Settings and then click on Channel. And this box here under the tab Basic Info, this is the keywords box, and this is where you can add your channel tags, or also known as channel keywords. You can add keywords, delete keywords and edit keywords. So I'm going to add a couple of keywords here. And then when you click on comma, that now makes it the keyword. So I've just added a couple of keywords there, and now I'm going to click Save. And that's it. That's how you add channel tags or channel keywords to your YouTube channel. You can also delete them, edit them, anything you like. Thanks for watching. Join us next time.